Welcome! In this video we will show you how to find out the current price of scrap catalytic converters at autocatalyst.market.com. First, you need to find the serial number on the catalytic converter body. Next, at autocatalyst.market.com, you need to enter the serial number in the search box and go to the catalytic converter card. Here you will find all the necessary information and photos of the details. Click on the Show the Price button to see the current scrap catalytic converter price and specifications. The price of the current date, as well as all the characteristics of the detail, will be displayed for you. You will have access to all the brands, models, descriptions, and years of the production of the car on which the catalyst is installed, the country and manufacturer of the catalyst, the quality, material, and weight of the monoliths, what the body is made of. The page indicates where the catalytic converter is located in the vehicle, which other catalytic converter it is fitted with, and for which engine fuel it is designed. We also specify the number of lambda sensors and their position concerning the catalytic converter. Below the list of specifications, you will see a graph of the fluctuations in the price of scrap catalysts over time. The price changes every day and depends on the price of the precious metals platinum, palladium, and rhodium on the London Stock Exchange. For more information on what influences the current price of scrap catalytic converters, watch our video. Below this page you will find a list of the buyers you can contact to dispose of the used catalytic converter. Any questions? Ask them in the comments below this video. And subscribe to the autocatalyst.market.com channel. Until we meet again.